Hello, this is James Chapman. Let me give you a quick walkthrough. A house wash of the property. I believe the tenant said all the mold's gone, but the main intent was the side. So where's your new house gonna be at?
I don't know. I'm actually my real estate is looking for one.
Oh, you're in the process.
Yeah, in the process of getting one.
Good luck, my man.
Yeah, because I was not sure if we were gonna stay here.
Where you come from?
We're from
Jersey?
Jersey.
Trenton?
Jersey.
Trenton?
No, I'm from the Hackensack, New Jersey.
Oh, okay.
That's northern.
Understood. There you guys go. Please remember to leave a nice, honest review. And thank you so much. Y'all have a great holiday.